Want to speak real English from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at EnglishClass101.com.
You are at a lost and found office at a train station, where you're hoping to retrieve a wallet that you've lost. The staff member presents you with a form to fill out. What information do you need to fill out to complete the form? What information do you need to fill out to complete the form? The form states that you need to fill out your name, address, phone number, and a description of your lost property. You are on a platform at a train station where you've been waiting for your train. It appears to be running late. Suddenly, a message appears on the display. What does the message on the display mean? What does the message on the display mean? The display reads, "Train services on this line have been cancelled due to an accident on the train tracks. We apologise for the inconvenience." You've just arrived at your destination and you're attempting to exit the train station. Unfortunately, the exit you usually take is blocked by some ongoing renovations. A signboard is posted informing you of another route. How should you proceed? How should you proceed? The sign tells you to go back in the opposite direction, take the escalators up to the second floor, and to turn right and take the east exit. You are at a train station, reading a leaflet that you found at the train station. The leaflet is advertising a new shopping centre that just opened. How do you get to the new shopping centre? How do you get to the new shopping centre? The leaflet says that you can use platform 4 or platform 2 if it's a Sunday to get to the new shopping centre.